score of 97.08. Is he contingent number? Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Talaga! Pasa! History Cultura Dance Crew!
So once again, ladies and gentlemen, this year's Regional Kapsawa Street Dance Competition
Grand champion
is Kapsawa History Cultura Dance Crew.
Grand Daraga. Na-defend nila ang title nila. Last year sila ang champion.
Second na nila, second in a row.
Makakabit kaya nila ang Grand Slam next year.
Congratulations to our
Ating abangan.
choreographers, to the designers, to the props, to the dancers, the choreographer, director,
At si Bubbles.
Congratulations po sa lahat ng anim na sumali. You made it this far. Congratulations.